Right guys, as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of fixings for the fairing. Now this is the big one what goes on the side, and it's a 4mm hexagon Allen key what fits in that. And you've got 3 of these, and they are also 4mm. And then you've got this little plastic clip, and how that works, to release it, what you need to do is push that in like that, and then it actually comes out. Now this one is situated inside the fairing, underneath where the headlight is, and you've got these ones which are situated underneath the bike, one at the bottom of the exhaust, and one near the downpipe, and the other one right underneath. I'll be showing you again, but they are just the fittings you've got. That's all you've got. Okay, that's where one fitting goes, which is the small one. So the small one goes in the top there. Then you've got another one what goes there in the top. Then you've got another one what goes there just in front of the indicator. So there's 3 of those guys. Now the big one, which is this one, that goes there. Okay, and this little guy, the one where you push the front out, it goes underneath there. And what I'll do, I'll actually point that out again to you when the fairing's out of the way. And then there's these 3. You have one at the front there, one underneath there, and one at the back there. So this little one here, it goes just there, and it goes through that way from the front of the bike. Okay, that's where that goes, and the fairing sits there. So when you're at the front of the bike, it's a bit dark there. There's the radiator, and it's the top hole there. First of all, we've got to take off the wire for the indicator, and it's like a little push-in connection with a little clip on it. Obviously you're not going to see it until the fairing's off, and I can point it out to you and show you exactly how it is. So I'm going to go ahead at first and disconnect that. Yeah. With a 4mm hexagon Allen key, take out the first bolt there. Then there's another one on the side of the fairing, which is there. There's another Allen screw at the top there. That's the top one. Now guys, I've taken that out, that little pin there, and that's what it looks like. And how you do that, you have to get a screwdriver, pull up that, and then the whole lot pulls out, and you've got one there, and you've got one there, and that's what holds that in position there. Okay, now this is the other clip. You've got a smaller one of those, and that is inside the fairing in here, and I'll actually show you where that goes when the fairing comes off. Now guys, right underneath there's another one what you have to get to. And there it is. So that's that popped out. Now I'm just jiggling it around there because you've got two rubber grommets behind there, and you've got to push this fairing back the way. See that? Okay, there's like a little slider. There's a slide, and you can see where one of the rubber grommets go, and there's the other rubber grommet. So you've got one there and one there, and this is the connection for the indicator. And what you've got to do, it's awkward to do it one hand, but you actually got to just lift that up. I don't know, can you see the way I'm doing that? I'm trying to prise that up. Okay, just put your finger under there and just lift it up, and then the other side comes out.